Hello everyone, I'm Scott Siri. I'm a copywriter and I train people how to make money without a boss through my course called Know to Grow. Today, I want to get into a little bit of why people buy anything. This includes everything, even if it's something we need to stay alive, like food, because there's always other options out there. So when you're selling something, you have to create an emotional connection between you and the audience. This is because people buy based on emotion. People will buy for two emotional reasons. Either the product enhances their pleasure or it removes their pain. And sometimes it's a combination of the two. A company that does this really well is McDonald's. They've played up emotions over the years when people feel hungry with phrases like, "You deserve a break today," and "I'm loving it." They remove the pain by giving a break. They enhance the pleasure by loving it. Now, in today's world, there's some backlash over the lack of healthy options. So over time, they've had to change because a good company has to be careful when they're pandering to emotion. If you can't back up your claims, then buyers will expect one thing and they receive another, and that leads to the emotion of anger, a negative or hostile feeling towards you and your brand, and that results in poor reviews and a bad reputation. So after you pander to the emotion, how do you make sure that your prospects feel good afterward? You have to justify with logic. So over the years, marketing has gotten this a lot of times just exactly backwards. They have phrases that go along the lines of 99% of our clients have improved their net worth by at least 20%. Would you like the peace of mind that comes with financial security? It's good, the components are there, but they're flipped. Instead, they should lead with something such as, when you don't have to worry about your finances, an indescribable peace comes over you. We offer that peace to our clients. In fact, 99% of them have seen an increase in their net worth by 20% or more. Pander to the emotion, but justify with that logic. So writing with psychology in mind can be tough. It takes a lot of conscious thought that goes into every word. What if I could take that frustration out of your day so that you can focus on the things that bring you joy? I have studied psychology and writing my entire career so that you don't have to worry about the words to say. Leave a comment down below and let's chat about your goals.